Welcome back everyone to more Ballydung Wrestling's Royal Madness 3, and now we are getting ready for a tag team match. Felcher and Sons, Courtney, Kate, and Terrible Terry Tate are teaming up to take on the Brothers of Ballydung in this matchup, and I guess this is a way for both of these teams to try to rise up the ranks. Of course, Felcher and Sons would love to get to the top of a tag team division. The Brothers of Ballydung, though, they know what success is like, and Lita has not been happy with the Brothers of Ballygung after they lost the tag team titles, the non-sanctioned tag team championships, to the Bros. And one of these teams tonight, I think, will take a step closer to possibly being in contention against the Bros somewhere down the line. But nonetheless, the Brothers of Ballygung have been focused on trying to get a victory and trying to get back up to the top of the division again. And of course, they are also former Ballygung tag team champions, and I guess Lita has held back some of her services until the Bros can show her that they can work together and get the victory. Because, I mean, they pretty much let Lita down when they lost those tag team titles at WrestleWave. And I guess until they get those title belts back, Lita will not be very satisfied with the team, because she's used to coaching teams that have talent and championships. And I guess the Brothers of Ballygung just have the talent, but they don't have the titles anymore. So I guess this is going to be a work in progress. And of course, we've seen that Edge has tried to get back with Lita, trying to get Lita to form Team Rated R again. And I guess Lita might be maybe leaning towards that. I heard there are rumors on the dirt sheets and on the hotlines. You can call the Ballygung hotline, but it's a dollar a minute and 99 cents for each additional minute. Those are basically 90s charges though. And looks like Podge is starting off strong, but looks like Tate was not very pleased with that at all. And he takes him down, and the referee is calling for the bell. He is ending this matchup right now. The Brothers of Ballygung, though, losing in quick fashion. This might be the shortest tag team match in Ballydung's history. I'm not quite sure. I mean, the match just started, and here, Felcher and Sons win this matchup, and Tracy Brooks is very, very pleased with this team. And I guess maybe she'll think about managing Felcher and Sons now going forward, but Podge cannot believe it that he's lost this matchup in such quick fashion. But the Brothers of Ballygung seemingly on this rough losing streak, and it looks like their losing ways continue here tonight. Tough luck, though, for the Brothers of Ballygung, but congratulations to Tate and Kate on the big